Welcome to Falle Engineering video series. Let's get started. We got them on the run.
Welcome, David, Falle Engineering. Think about it. You're at a stadium and you're having a good time, right? And you're looking over the head and you hear this thing, and this ball flies out. You're like, fall left field. This is not a baseball. But there's a good chance you'll walk into a rat like that. And let me explain why. Baseball stadiums are huge. They're very huge, lots of food. Let's call it a bowl. Baseball station, let's call it a bowl. Baseball stadium is actually built like a bowl. It's a giant food bowl. And if you think all these bleachers here and here around this bowl, if you think just blowing them with the blower is going to work, you're sadly mistaken. They need to be pressure washed. Also, baseball stadiums have facilities in them for food. They make the hot dogs, Dodger dogs, Filipino, whatever you eat, wherever you're at. They also have skyboxes. They have kitchens. Then they have people out here. People everywhere out here. Tailgating. So, let's identify where the food is in stadiums. The food's going to be here in the bleachers. It's going to be here in the facilities. It's going to be dropped on the bleachers. It's going to be in the skybox. It's going to be in the trash outside, leading outside. Every single one of these cars are going to drop some sort of food residue. And beer, actually, lots of beer. Rats drink beer. That's not a big deal. Rats probably like beer. Let's see here. Well, some rats will prefer wine. But anyway, you got the idea. Food everywhere. People everywhere. But the next day, the whole park is quiet. You have hallways that go everywhere. You have dressing rooms for the players. You have tunnels that go everywhere. A baseball stadium is a very difficult place, but the baseball stadium will act as an incubator, and every single home, business, or anything around it will be affected. That's just the reality of it. Every single property will be affected. Every single homeowner will be affected. Every single business will be affected because there's so much food coming in this place and out of this place. I've even seen situations where the trash truck empty the trash here and drop trash all the way out, going down the street. I've seen it. Hot dog buns, whatever. I was like, wow. This is a mess. It's going to require a lot of work. It's going to require dealing with all these openings here. It's going to require dealing with these different restaurants here. It's going to require monitoring these different hallways that are nearby. It's going to require 100% in different areas. Munchbox. Here. Munchbox here. Boxes here. It's going to require a lot. Now, our system is really great in one major area. Just like Uber's interrupted taxis, our system interrupts pest control company. Yeah, you can still hire a pest control company, but you don't have to. A simple janitor. A janitor can walk around, empty the traps, and we have a spray that you spray on the munch box to protect the janitor from different pathogens, different viruses, things like that, fleas. You spray it down. We have the munch box that does all those cool things. We have the 100%. 100% can be literally put on any size container. It can be a small container that it normally comes with that holds like 50, maybe 100 rats, 200 mice. You could also put it on a 55-gallon drum, right? And we have a measurement. How many gallons per packet? You take the packet, you open the packet up, you drop it into the tank, and you renew the tank. There's no need to wash it out. So stadiums will affect the whole area around it. They're usually in the middle of cities. They're usually in the middle of all kinds of action, things like that. Vegas has stadiums in it. And these stadiums have rats. They have all kinds of, they have rats and gophers. We don't have anything for gophers yet, but I can figure something out if I need to. I would have to build a custom system for a stadium to make this happen. But if you let me do it, I can assure you that nearby homeowners and nearby businesses will thank you. Anyway, that's where we're at. Where'd the rat go? David, Falle Engineering. Where'd the rat go?
I need you desperately.